श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। ॐ निधाय हृदि विश्वेशं विधाय गुरुवन्दनं बालानां सुखबोधाय क्रियते तर्कसङ्ग्रहः. So we saw parvattvavachchinna uddeshita nirupita संयुग संबंधावच्छिन्न वन्नित्वावच्छिन्न विधेयता अनुमितौ अनुमिति अवच्छिन्नं अनुमितित्वावच्छिन्नं प्रति. So we have these two statements. Karya, which is a parvato vanniman, and karana, this is anumiti. This is paramarsha. Karana is paramarsha, and this is a how? Dhuma vyapya vanniman ayam parvatah. Right? Right? We don't have any difference. Dhuma is vyapaka, not vyapya. If you want to write like this, you have to say Dhuma vyapaka vanniman ayam parvatah. Vanni vyapya dhumavan ayam parvatah. This is it's not right. We should have to write Vanni vyapya dhumavan ayam parvatah. That vyapya and vyapaka you have to get. Vanni vyapya dhumavan ayam parvatah. So for this we said parvatao vanniman. For this we said parvata, which is a uddeshya, and there is a sambandha, and vanni is a videya. So we said parvatatva avachchina, uddeshita avachchedaka is parvatatva. Parvatatva avachchedaka, parvatatva avachchina, uddeshita nirupita, sanyoga sambandha. There is a sanyoga sambandha between vanni and parvata. Parvata and vanni, uddeshya and videya. Therefore sanyoga sambandha avachchina, vannitva avachchina, vidheyatva avachchina, vannitva avachchina, वन्नित्वावच्छिन्न prakarta nirupita vidheyatvam. We have to add prakara everywhere, that's all. This is vannitvaavachchinna, this is vidheyat vannitvaavachchinna vidheka. No, it's not prakara. Vidheka parvatatvaavachchinna uddeshita nirupita संयुग संबंधावच्छिन्न वन्नित्वावच्छिन्न vidheyata is anumiti. This is karya. For that the karana is vanni vyapya dhumavan. This we have to say in the language of logic. Vannitva avachchinna prakarta nirupita, vyapyatva avachchinna prakarta nirupita, dhumatva avachchinna prakarta nirupita, parvatatva avachchinna visheshyata, shali nirnaya is the karana. That is what he says. वन्नित्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता निरूपिता, व्याप्तित्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता निरूपिता, धूमत्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता निरूपिता, पर्वतत्वावच्छिन्न विशेष्यता तच्छाली निर्णयः. वन्नित्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता निरूपिता, व्याप्तित्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता निरूपिता, धूमत्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता निरूपिता, पर्वतत्वावच्छिन्न विशेष्यता Shali Nirnaya. In between you have to add that which is like this, that is so. Vannitva avachchinna prakarta nirupita ya vyaptitva avachchinna prakarta nirupita ya sa dhumatva avachchinna prakarta nirupita ya ta sa parvatatva avachchinna visheshyata tachali nirnaya etc. Ya sa tad yad etc. You have to add this. Now this is if you explain it in this way, then this becomes Jagadishacharya school, Jagadisha school. Jagadishacharya's school, Jagadisha Bhattacharya school. This is Jagadisha school. Like in Vedanta, we have Bhamati and Vivarana. The same way, there are different schools of thought in seeing these things. This is Jagadishacharya school. There is another famous school of Gadadhara Bhatta. This is Gadadhara Acharya. There is this, what we saw is Jagadisha Acharya, and there is a Gadadhara Acharya. The difference is Jagadisha Acharya accepts Prakara and Visheshya as not different. If it is Visheshya and Prakara, so he calls the Prakara for both that which is Prakara and Visheshya, like we will see. Here, I will just use this. We have Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Ayam Parvatah. We have Vanni, then Vyapti, then Dhuma, then Parvata. See, for Vanni and Vyapti, Vanni is Prakara, Dhuma is Visheshya. Okay? For Vyapti and Dhuma, Vyapti is Prakara, Dhuma is Visheshya. For Dhuma and Parvata, Dhuma is Prakara and Parvata is Visheshya. So Jagadisha Acharya, he does not differentiate Visheshya and Prakara, so he uses only Prakara. Except this, which is only Visheshya and this only Prakara. There is no confusion anywhere. So what he says is Vannitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Vyaptitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Dhumatvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Parvatatvavachinna Visheshyata. That is what we saw. Now this is one school of thought. That is why he says Vannitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Vyaptitvavachinna Visheshyatayaha, Dhumatvavachinna Visheshyata Nirupita, Vyaptitvavachinna Prakartayascha Abheda Anangi Kartrumate. People who don't accept Vannitvavachinna Visheshyata Nirupita Prakarta, Vannitvavachinna Visheshitvavachinna Vyaptitvavachinna Prakarta, and Dhumatvavachinna Dhumatvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Vyaptitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Visheshitvavachinna Dhumatvavachinna Prakarta. One who does not accept the Visheshya Prakara here as a Abheda in Gadadhara school, what will they do? They say it like this: Vannitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Visheshitvavachinna Vyaptitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Visheshitvavachinna Dhumatvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Parvatatvavachinna Visheshyata Shali Nirnaya. Nothing. He says Vannitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Visheshitvavachinna Vyaptitvavachinna Prakarta. Again, Visheshitvavachinna Dhumatvavachinna Prakarta. Then Visheshitvavachinna Parvatatvavachinna Visheshyata. Here in Jagadishacharya school, Vannitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Vyaptitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Dhumatvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Parvatatvavachinna Visheshyata Shali Nirnaya. In Gadadhara school, Vannitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Visheshitvavachinna Vyaptitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Visheshitvavachinna Dhumatvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Parvatatvavachinna Visheshyata. That's all. Once you understand, it's very clear. Here he adds Visheshitvavachinna Vyaptitvavachinna Prakarta. In the other school, there is no Visheshyata. Vannitvavachinna Prakarta Nirupita, Vyaptitvavachinna Prakarta. Instead of Visheshitvavachinna Vyaptitvavachinna Prakarta. That is the difference. Iti Tatshalinaya Karna Bhaktavyam. Sacha Nirnaya Vanni Vyapya Dhumavan Parvataha Ityakarko Bodhya. This Nirnaya, whether it is Vanni वन्नित्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता निरूपित व्याप्तित्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता or वन्नित्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता निरूपित विशेषत्वावच्छिन्न व्याप्तित्वावच्छिन्न प्रकारता etc. Whichever way you take, it is only this. Vanni vyapya dhumavan ayam parvatha. That's all. This is the crux. This is what is explained in two different ways. So, this is paramarsha. Tat paramarsham janyam jnanam anumiti. And that is supported by vyapti, we said. Vyapti vishishta paksha dharmata jnanam. What is vyapti? So he says, yatra yatra dhuma tatra tatra agnimiti sacharinimo vyapti. Yatra yatra dhuma tatra tatra agni. Wherever there is smoke, there is fire. This kind of sahacharati iti sahacharya. This kind of a close connection. Wherever there is a continuous existence. Nowhere this hetu becomes wrong. Wherever smoke exists, there is fire. Over. So this kind of a unfailing existence, wherever it is, that is what is called as sahachara. Says yatra yatra iti, yatra yatra, tatra tatra. This is called vipsa. There is no, or I don't know there any similar term in English. Repetition is what we can say. Vipsa is repetition. You repeat yatra yatra. This is to give you this. Pada vipsa vashat dhumadhikarane yavati vannimatva labhat. He is saying yatra yatra dhuma. To yatra yatra dhuma means yavanti dhumadhikaranani. Yavati dhumadhikaranani means wherever there is dhuma. Wherever dhuma, the dhuma is existent. Adhikarana means substratum. There is substratum of dhuma. In those substratum of dhuma, there is a fire. Wherever the dhuma substratum exists, wherever dhuma exists, in whichever substratum, in that same substratum, fire exists. That is the idea. In whichever substratum smoke exists, the same substratum fire exists. Like you see the smoke on the mountain. The same substratum fire exists. Not in some other place. We are not talking about some other place fire. The same substratum of smoke, fire also has existence. That is why he says, Yavat padamaina vannehe dhuma vyapakatvam labdham. Okay. Tadeva spashtayati sahacharya niyamati. Vyapti is a sahacharya niyamo vyapti. Sahacharya niyamaha. Niyama sahacharya. That is why he says, Etadartham sahacharya niyama iti etadarthastu niyata sahacharyam vyapti iti. Niyata. Niyama means niyata. Sahacharyam. Niyata sahacharyam is vyapti. Niyata sahacharyam is sahacharya niyama. Niyata sahacharya means sahacharyatve sati niyatatvam niyamatvam vyapti. Now we say niyatatve sati sahacharyatvam vyapti. Niyatatva he says niyatatvam nama vyapakatvam. Vyapakatve sati sahacharyatvam. Okay, sahacharya also he says as a sahacharyam nama samanadhikaranyam. Vyapakatva samanadhikaranya. Vyapakatve sati samanadhikaranyam vyapti. Samana adhikaranam yasya sa samanadhikaranyam. For which the adhikarana is same. If this adhikarana for smoke is a mountain, fire, for fire also it is mountain. Same adhikarana. Samana adhikarana means same adhikarana. The substratum will be same. Wherever you see smoke, the same substratum you see fire. That is why he says, Tatacha dhumanistha banni samana adhikaranyam vyaptirityartha. Dhumanistha, in dhuma, whatever wherever vanni exists, that vanni samanadhikaranya is vyapti. Atra vannehe dhuma vyapakatvam nama. See, he said dhuma vannehe dhuma vyapakatvam labdham yavat padamayuna. What does that mean? Vanne dhuma vyapakatvam means dhuma samanadikaranya, dhuma samanadikarana, atyantava pratiyogita anavachedaka dharmavatvam. This is what vanne dhuma vyapakatvam means. Dhuma vyapakatvam vanni. Vanni vyapyatvam dhuma. We have already seen this. Vanni is vyapaka, dhuma is vyapya. Therefore, dhuma vyapakam vanni, vanni vyapyam dhuma. Okay? Dhuma vyapakam vanni. What does that mean? Vanne dhuma vyapakatvam nama? Dhuma samanadhikarana. You have to say dhuma samanadhikarana. Atyanta bhava. Atyanta bhava. Anavachedaka dharmavatvam. Anavachedaka dharmavatvam. Dhuma samanadhikarana. For that samanadhikarana should be in the same samanadhikarana. Atyanta bhava should be there of something else. And that kind of atyanta bhava which is not associated with anavachedakam. Avachedakam means it becomes limitation, that is associated. Which is not associated, that kind of status vannehe dhuma vyapakam. Vanne dhuma vyapakam. See, dhuma. Samanadhikarana of dhuma is parvata. Dhuma samanadhikarana. In that samanadhikarana, atyanta bhava. Atyanta bhava of water. In dhuma, we see samanadhikarana of ghata abhava. Ghata abhava. Dhuma is seen in parvata or kitchen, wherever. We see here in mountain, the same mountain, atyanta bhava exists of ghata, and that atyanta bhava avachedaka is ghata avachedaka is ghatatva. Anavachedaka is vannitva. Ghata bhava tasya avachedakam ghatatvam. Anavachedakam vanni. Therefore, vannehe dhuma vyapakatvam. This is lakshana samanvaya. This is how you understand. What did he say? Dhuma samanadhikarana atyanta bhava anavachedakam. Dhuma samanadhikarana atyanta bhava pratiyogita. Pratiyogita ka anavachedakam. Pratiyogita. Pratiyogita. Ghata bhava tasya pratiyogi ghata, like that you will see. See, dhuma, for dhuma, adhikarana, samanadhikarana is parvata. In that parvata, atyanta bhava exists of what? Ghata, pata, whatever. For that ghata abhava, pratyogi is ghata. Yasya bhava sa pratyogi. Ghata abhava sa pratyogi ghata. That ghata avachedaka is ghatatva. Anavachedaka is vannitva. Therefore, vanni is dhuma vyapaka. This is vyapti lakshana. This is vyapti lakshana. Dhuma adhikarana. Dhuma adhikarana atyanta bhava pratiyogita anavachedakam is a vyapti lakshana. That is why he says iti tatha hi dhuma adhikarane parvata chatvara mahanasado vartamano yo abhava. In dhuma adhikarana, which is parvata etc., fire, mountain etc., exists abhava. At abhava of what? Whatever object, ghatatwadi, pot etc. Tat avachina pratiyogita abhava is gata etc. न तो वन्नित्व प्रतियोगिता का भाव. We are not talking about वन्नित्व प्रतियोगी, but घट अत्यंत अभाव प्रतियोगी, अन्य अत्यंत अभाव प्रतियोगी. Because पर्वतादौ वन्ने सत्वात्, because we see the existence. See, instead of घटा भाव, I should not take वन्नित्व भाव, because vanni exists in fire. That is what we want to prove, we want to establish. So therefore evam sati धूमादिकरणे पर्वते वर्तमानस्य घटादि अभावस्य प्रतियोगिता अवच्छेदकं घटत्वादिकं, अनवच्छेदकं वन्नित्वं. वन्नो वर्तते अतः धूमत्व व्यापकं वन्नौ वर्तते. So vannitvam exists in vanni. Therefore vanni is a dhuma vyapakam. Dhuma is vyapya, vanni is vyapaka. Okay, this is a kind of vyapti. Iyam anvaya vyapti siddhanta anusarani. This is anvaya vyapti. This is with reference to anvaya vyapti. Yatra yatra tatra tatra. There is a other possibility. Yatra yatra abhava tatra tatra abhava also. There are other possibilities of vyapti. So we will talk about Purvapaksha Vyapti. We will see Purvapaksha Vyapti. Sadhyabhavat Avrutitvam. We have seen already Sadhyabhavat Avrutitvam, this Vyapti. We will see this in detail. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.